All right, we're almost ready. I'm sorry. Hey guys, there, beautiful audience of souls. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys, all of you, about something really beautiful, truly powerful. I would say the incredible force of unity and reconciliation. All right, it's something that can bring peace, love, and understanding into our lives, most important, especially within our families, people. But here's the catch. I would say it requires us to let go of our ego and pride, or vice versa, pride and ego. You see, when we allow our pride and ego to take control, it becomes a barrier to unity. I would say that it creates divisions and misunderstanding, that tears us apart. But when we choose to humble ourselves, just like God or Jesus did or taught us, something incredible happens. Firstly, unity, it's the force that keep us together as people, as families. Brings families closer together. I would say when we let go of our pride, we open the door for forgiveness and reconciliation. All right, we understand, of course, that no one is perfect. I'm not perfect, including myself or ourselves. But we learn to embrace our flaws and accept others for who they are. And so we create an unbreakable bond that strengthens our family ties. That's the right phrase. Our family ties. Yeah, but it doesn't stop there. People, unity has the power to bring people from all walks of life together. Okay, and when we set aside our differences and focus on what unites us, then we realize that we are all connected. We're all connected by love and humanity. We become a force that cannot be reckoned with. Okay? You still with me now. Secondly, unity brings peace. Imagine a world where everyone puts their egos aside and works towards a common goal, a world where conflicts are resolved. Imagine that resolved through understandings and compassion. It might sound like a dream, but it is not, people. It is not impossible. Trust me. Unity has the power to transform chaos into harmony. All right, and lastly, I will end up this video by telling you that unity brings love and understanding once more time into our lives. When we choose to let go of our pride, we open ourselves, up to empathy and compassion once again, and we start to see things from different perspectives, and our hearts become more receptive to love. I would say that, to love, yes, and we realize that we are all interconnected, and that love is the ultimate driving force behind unity. So, my friends, my lovely audience, make sure that you don't forget this, what I just kind of put out there to you guys. Practice that, from today on. Starting next year, 2023, I would like for everyone to project unity as an enormous force, that we all can work on that. All right? That was my message for today. Today's the 25th. Last night we all were celebrating Christmas Eve. Today is a big day. It's the day in which Jesus was born. You all know that, and we are very thankful and grateful for all the blessings that we all, as humans, as people, received during this year. So let's pray that we are continuing to do better next year, and do greater things next year. My friends, reflect on the power of unity, please. our pride, unity once again, and ego, and embrace humility. That's the whole message. Embrace humility. Together, we can create a world filled of love and peace and understanding each other. We can make a difference. Remember, unity starts with each one of us, people. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to spread love, and kindness, and unity. I'm going to add that stuff right now. Every time I end up a video, I always say love, and kindness. We're going to probably include that unity because it's such a beautiful. Just thinking about that, what the word unity means. Stay blessed, guys. I love you. Happy New Year. What's coming up next week? Stay tuned for more content. All right. Like the video if you wish. Subscribe to our channel so we can keep growing. We can keep growing this, and we can keep doing what we do next year. I love you. Thank you guys for watching.